Congratulations, let's give them a big round of applause, please.
Saka pa, may cellphone, may 5,000 pesos.
Nag-iisa Ivana Alawi lang tayo.
But before that, habang busy sila, meron kaya tayong announcement?
Yes, a special announcement this evening. May nawawala po tayong bata, 2 to 3 years old.
Sa nanay po na nawawala ng anak,
2 to 3 years old.
ay nasa backstage.
Nalaki po siya naka-green
Green na t-shirt.
bayo. Ginapalita niya si Mama Jane.
Mama Jean, Mama Jean,
Mama Jane.
Mama Jean.
Wala ka cellphone ko.
Ayan, congratulations. Mama Jean, kung ano yung
Wala ito kinuha sa'yo, no? Hinatag niya isaw.
Sa likod. Naka-green
Green terno ang
Caballo.
shore.
Yes,
Ang bagyo. Mama Jean, nagtulang diri sa likod. Okay, so congratulations to all our winners. Let's give a big round of applause to Miss Ivana Alawi.
Hello, Miss Ivana. Good evening.
Miss Ivana, ayan, mag-present
Okay.
muna siya.
Please shake your hand.
Nag-enjoy ka mo?
Namit ang yung cellphone.
Okay, okay. So, Mama Jean, nagtulang sa likod. Thank you very much.
Buto na nung ngayon.
Yes. Well, I have to go beyond. It's nice to see you again.
Nice to see you
Welcome.
again.
Welcome to the province of Capiz.
Ano ganito nga?
Kamusta naman so far yung iyong
Alam mo,
experience?
sobrang enjoy ko at sobrang saya ko na nakabalik ako.